There are two ways to deal with the anxiety and loneliness. Pills, better prescribed by the doctor, not from the dealer on the corner, or the art of melting the ice, art of conversation. In order to overcome the anxiety and loneliness, you need to get personal with some people. And I mean personal, not just friendly. This will make you want it like never before. This is not a textbook for charming, but just normal human communication skills. Tell someone something really personal. Should be unexpected. Surprise them. The only condition is to be very sincere. Your own sincerity will make you capable to demonstrate your feelings about the matter. You need to be very short, 10 seconds, something, few words. If you speak longer, the other one will be afraid that this will take ages and you will lose the attention. Shorter expressions are also easier to understand and to engage of the other one's empathy. Don't play as a victim. Don't present yourself as perfect. The more you admit your flaws, the more respect you will get because you're real, not pretending for perfection like someone on Instagram. Even if you're not agree, just do it. It works. Trust me. The other person first will be surprised because this approach is very rare. From the middle of nowhere, some feelings, and because of your sincerity, the other one will be provoked to answer with similar personal experience from their life. And in a minute, you will find yourself much closer with that person. The ice will be melted, and you have the license for a more intimate conversation with this particular human being, a future friend or a lover. Terms of surrender. While listening the other one, try to keep the eye contact, to listen carefully, to engage with the story, and to express understanding, to take personal position on the case, and to show your feelings as support. That's it. Don't forget you need to be very short. Let's wrap it up. Start trying to express yourself with minimum words, just the essence. This will work in your whole life, not only to make contacts, but also to keep these contacts. Being very wordy could make you a very successful speaker 6,000 years in Mesopotamia, but not in 2023. Be very sincere means tell the truth without making excuses. Expressing your feeling makes you sensitive and open. Nobody likes cold people. Showing understanding to somebody else's problems, taking position and doing it emotionally, this is how you make friends. This is how you becoming trusted, especially if you propose your help and support. Some things are irreplaceable. If you speak like victim, blaming other people or circumstances, that means that you're not able to take the responsibility for your life. The respect for you will fall down to zero. Tell your initial line like a simple fact from your life, something that happened a time ago. You can put some unexpected bitterness or brave dreams that didn't come true. Much better if you can make fun of it, even if it's very personal. This is also a very rare skill. It happens only in Raymond Chandler's books or Hugh Jackman's movies. But this will make an impression. And at the end of this chapter, you will look like you're done with the negative emotions, grown up who learned the lessons. About overcoming your anxiety. Simple psychological fact is if you start talking about your personal problems with as many people as possible, the importance of those problems will start to fade away in your mind because they will become trivial, everyday life subjects for conversation. and in time they will lose their significance. Right now, your negative emotions are dominant because you don't have any positive emotions. And because of this, you're paralyzed by the fear that you can look stupid or you're not attractive. But the women don't care about your outlook. And this is a subject for another video. Last, but very important, nobody is born with the gift of speech. This is something you need to achieve like the rest. It requires practice and attention. Doesn't happen for a week, but I can guarantee you that in a month you'll be much more successful in picking up the right words for the moment. Just keep trying practicing. It will open every door, even the back door. No one says it's easy, but it's doable. The art of talking and listening will give you an advantage. And if this is too complicated for you, better call your doctor. And bring him a bottle of Léon Perdigal from Côte d'Ivoire and try to stay away from the stereotype. Be different.